Hi, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, June 19, 2024. It's a holiday here in the US and it's now 10:11 in the morning and nakapang panglakad. And me and Ken are going for a trip. We'll be going to Gatlinburg in Tennessee na kami lang dalawa. So it will be our first time na mag-drive ng ganito kahaba. It will be a 4.5-hour drive, but we'll be sure to take a break in between. Siguro magla-lunch kami somewhere mga by 12 or 12:30. So we'll see. And excited kami kasi ayun, first time namin pumunta sa Gatlinburg and hopefully the weather will be nice and join us in the next couple of days for our vacation. So ito yung dala namin, isang malaking luggage, tapos plenty of water. And then, yung backpacks namin sa, dun sa backseat. So, we just left the house, guys. And, 10:43 a.m. na. And, sabi ng Google Map, this is Google Map?
I think Apple Map.
Oh, Apple Map. The drive will be around 4 hours and 46 minutes. But for sure, it will be change yun depending on the flow of traffic. Hopefully it will be shorter, but then again we will be having lunch along the way, so it will be around maybe 5 hours, we'll see. And chill lang to na drive. Hindi kayo nagmamadali kasi the check-in time is not until 4 p.m. Hindi katulad sa Philippines na usually 2 p.m. yung check-in time. So dito is 4 p.m. check-in time. So tama lang yung namin, yung pag-alis namin. Hindi masyadong maaga, hindi rin masyadong late. So it's a nice day today. Maganda yung weather. Hindi pa masyadong mainit. So hopefully it stays this way. Kasi last time nung nagpunta kami for my driver's license, it was so hot and grabe, sumakit talaga yung ulo. And we'll see if Ken will let me drive. Dala-dala ko na yung temporary driver's license ko. Hopefully, yung talaga yung card na driver's license, hopefully it arrives next week. Nga pala guys, so ito nga po, papunta kaming Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and then uwi kami this weekend just to unpack and pack again, since next week we'll be flying to Florida to be with Ken's dad's side of the family. So we're very much excited for that. Mas marami kami na pupunta doon. Abangan niyo kung sino-sino yung mga pupunta. And I'm very much excited kasi first time ko mag-out of state na trip. So ito yung first time ko, and then next week. So here's to more trips, my love. So thank you, Lord. And by the way guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang namin. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang aming baon. Galing pa to sa PAL guys, yung pinamigay nila dati ng mga bags. So dala-dala ko siya hanggang dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi ko mailabas lahat, but some of our snacks pakita ko kasi yung isang kamay ko is nakahawak sa sa tawag nito, what is this called? Selfie stick. So una, mga chips, Lay's. Tapos nung pumunta kami ng Asian store, bumili kami ng boy bawang. So sinave ko talaga guys, sinintay ko talaga for this trip. So ito, boy bawang, chili cheese flavor. This is my favorite. Sa lahat ng boy bawang na na mga variants, ito yung favorite ko, and yung next is yung adobo flavor. Wala ko nakita adobo flavor in the Asian store. And then meron ding para sa trip na to. Hindi pa naman siya expired. Patatas! Ayan. Gusto ko rin to. And then, dala rin kami ng Nutri-Grain bar. Tapos, meron ding Ritz na peanut butter na crackers. Hindi ko na ilabas guys, medyo ano. Tapos meron ding yung favorite snack ko, yung Rice Krispies. We'll see kung mapakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. But meron yun, isang box ng Rice Krispies. Ayun, yun yung baon namin. O diba? Ay, meron pa pala yung ano, dala rin ko ni mama yung mga butterscotch. O diba? Bawal magutom guys. And then, nagdalan kami ng bottled water na may ice. Ayun. So, update ko na lang kayo from time to time. See ya! Snap na ako. Actually, snap time ko talaga mga 10 o'clock. Kaya medyo gutom na. Ken's having Rice Krispies as well. Kakapasok lang namin ng Tennessee area. Hi, my love! So actually, nag-drive na kami ng 2 oras na and di pa kami nagla-lunch. Hanap lang kami in a while ng mga kainan, but hindi dito. This is actually just the rest area nila. It's very nice. So this is very nice for travelers. You can do stretching. Kung gusto mong umihi, may mga pagkain. Maganda dito guys. My love, let's take picture here. Guys, para may evidence kami na nasa Tennessee na talaga kami. Look at this. Dito na talaga kami guys. Wait, I'll take picture. So ito yung restroom nila guys. May souvenir shops din. So, yan yung souvenir shops nila. Then, yan yung restroom. Ang ganda. So, ito yung souvenir shop nila, guys. It's very nice. Can we sit here? Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng umupo dyan. So, ayan. Souvenir shop ba ito? Or parang yung mga maps lang. Gusto mo mga guides kung anong mga gusto mong pwedeng gawin dito. Mga maps pala. Hindi pala siya souvenir shop. Mga maps. So, dito kami pupunta guys sa Gatlinburg. And we're still around 2.5 hours away. So, dito kami pupunta. So, dito kami pupunta. Kuha kami ng map for this. How about this one? Is it just this one?
That's good.
Yeah.
National Park here. If you're staying in Gatlinburg, if you keep on going, y'all been up there before?
Yes, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Well, here you go. You're going to be staying right here in Gatlinburg. If you stay on 441, the Parkway, the main drag through Gatlinburg.
Paalis na kami ng rest area, guys, and balik ulit sa pag-drive. And siguro in a few minutes maghahanap kami ng mga kainan. And very nice and welcoming yung yung tao dun sa rest area. Yung may mga maps. Binigyan niya kami ng sangkatutak na maps, guys. Ito lang naman yung kinuha ko sana. Ito. Yan. Tsaka ito. And then we can ask him if all these or if we need to pay for these, and he said no, we can get anything we want. And then pagkatapos nun, guys, binigyan niya kami ng mga iba pang mga maps and brochures. So binigyan niya kami ng ganito. Sky Park sa Gatlinburg din to. And then Anakesia na mga kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin doon. Nasa Gatlinburg din to. And then, binigyan niya kami ng parang map ata to. Oo. And then, ito rin. Napaka bait niya. So, are you ready, my love?
Ready.
So, palis na kami, guys. Update ko na lang kayo kung saan kami kakain ng lunch. See ya! Ito muna kami magla-lunch sa Jack's. It's now 1:57 na ng hapon, guys. I'm having mashed potatoes, chicken fingers, and mashed potatoes. Gutom na talaga, guys. And Ken's having cheeseburger and fries. Let's eat. So we're back on the road. Traffic, guys. Ang daming sasakyan. So the map says we do have 2 hours and 39 minutes left. So we'll just take our time. By the way, yung Tennessee, guys, is 1 hour ahead sa Alabama. So nag-plus 1 hour kami nung pagka lagpas namin ng boundary ba yun? Was it the boundary? Nag-change kagad yung yung time sa phone. Amazed na amazed ako, guys. Kasi sa Philippines naman isa lang naman yung time zone natin. So wala, na-amaze lang ako. So it's now anong oras na ba? 2:54 in the afternoon. So yun.
Sorry.
It's okay. Guys, dito muna kami stop over muna kami dito sa rest area. Bathroom break. Naiihin na kami. And we still have 2 hours left. Hi! How are you feeling, my love?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. See you guys later. Kain ulit tayo, guys. It hasn't been long since we ate lunch, but wala lang. Gusto kong kumain ng something sweet. Kagaling lang namin sa dito pa kami sa rest area. And paalis na rin kami. Ang ganda, guys, kasi talaga siya. Facility siya na may restroom. Tapos may mga vending machines. And then, pwede kang kumain. May mga cottages na may tables and chairs. Ang ganda. And it's for free. You don't have to pay anything. Walang 2 pesos ihi and 5 pesos pupu. Libre lahat. So, paalis na ulit kami and we still have 2 hours left sa drive. See you later. Malapit na kami guys, mga 22 minutes. Tignan nyo guys, si Godzilla. Actually, maraming pwedeng gawin dito guys. This place is very unique and there's so much activities that you can do. So, malapit na kami sa hotel at sobrang traffic niya guys, as you can see, but okay lang, malapit naman na kami.
Look at that diner. It's an old 50s diner.
Oh wow, that looks so nice. Yung parang sa movies. Oh wow, this place is nice. Tingnan nyo guys. Ano na naman pakuluyan? Parang restaurant siya. Iba-iba yung iba-iba yung mga lugar dito, yung mga establishments. Kanya-kanya sila ng mga pakulo. Wow. Very nice. Sa Gatlinburg. Hanapin lang namin yung hotel namin. Wow. Everything is just walking distance right here. Maraming mga turista guys. It's like a national park. Yeah. Quick room tour. Ito yung, meron silang mga extra na mga sheets or blankets. May ironing board. And then they use the bathroom. And then may bathtub sa loob. Hi, my love! 2 queen, is this queen? Queen size beds. Mas mura kasi guys sa website nila. So ito yung kinuha namin instead of 1 king size bed. Right? Yeah. And then TV, microwave, then there's, excuse me my love, mini fridge. Oh, there's congratulations. Oh, may pa-congratulations sila. Sure. So open up. Yeah. Okay, wait a minute. So merong table dyan, dresser, may tawag nito, mirror. Ayan. And then, ito yung view namin, guys. Dito nga pa kami sa Edgewater at the Aquarium Hotel and Conference Center. Ito yung view ng Gatlinburg. Yay! Alam niyo ba what time is it now, my love?
7:48.
7:48 na, guys. Pa-check-in na kami and then hanap kami ng makakainan. Gutom na. Everything here is just walking distance. So parang ano siya, malaking park. Tapos nandito na lahat. Mga hotels, restaurants, yung mga activities, kung ano yung gusto mo daw. Ang dami. Hingal ako. Ang masarap, guys. Is that chocolate? Oh, wow. I love caramel. Dito kami sa Best Italian restaurant and we're having ham and pineapple pizza for dinner. Let's eat. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Free taste, guys. Cheers. Sarap yung chocolate chip nila, guys. So, isang pack is $9.95. Sarap siya. Kaya ko siyang papakin ng papakin.
Get a bag.
Sure. Ang cute ng packaging, guys. Aesthetic. Charot. Lakad-lakad muna kami. Guys, sobrang busy pa dito. And it's already, what time is it now? It's almost 9 p.m.
They fucked up at the aquarium.
Yeah.
They only gave out the aquarium.
I got scared too.
Wow. Ripley's Haunted Adventure. Oh wow. You wanna go inside?
Yeah.
Ah!
Look at that.
What? Okay. Hollywood. That was nice.